Got the squad approaching. We've got Big Boy in charge there. We've got a young male behind him, followed by another young male. Got 3 females there. And we've got a little Rocket here, who's with us as well. Hush boy. Hush boy. Pretty chilled out day today. Weather's very nice. Hi Lucky. What's up Lucky? What's up boy? Just got a little cut here on his face. We've got a good friendship these two have now. Yeah, we just let's go check on the goats. Bill! Bill! Don't leave me, Bill. So you see this female at the front here, the Saanen. She's quite defensive, so if Lucky gets too close, you'll see the Saanen going for a headbutt. Oh, we've got Sultana here as well, the mother, just with Rocket. Yeah, it's pretty chilled out. You can see how she's got an eye on Sultana. She's keeping watch. There you can see, look. She's a brave goat, you know, the Saanen is. Obviously the billy goat's there as well. Not this, he's a boar goat, he's 98% boar. And then he has something else in him, I'm not too sure exactly what. All Sultana wants to do is play. I get. You can see the grass has gone quite long. You won't be able to tell here, but if I go more, see the Saanen attacked Lucky there. But yeah, if I head over here into the actual field, like into the centre of it, you'll notice the grass must come up a good solid 5-4. There you go. It's like comes to here, so it's just covered like that around here. What are you doing, Sultana? Hi. Yeah, Rocky. You know what, I won't disturb the goats now, let them stay out. Because the weather was quite poor yesterday, so they weren't out much because it was raining like heavily. So it's good to just let them chill. My little Rocket Man, Rocket Man. Hi boy. His fur's starting to come out very nice, very thick. Starting to do the destan little snarl as well. Yeah, just give his legs a little massage. We weighed him about a week ago, well on the Monday, and he weighed 12 kilos, which is good weight, innit? Got some Good sized teeth. There's father here, Destan. He'll come around for a bit. Also, yeah, Sultana's coming back in heat, so gotta keep him away from her. Obviously, she was bred last season, so I don't really want anything to happen straight away. She still needs to put on her size at the moment. She's way too thin. So we've got a little stone cold here. Alright, boy. So I think that was the reason why Destan and Barbosa, Destan wasn't relaxed around Barbosa and felt like he had to dominate him, because I think Sultana's coming on and he wants the pie, doesn't he? Boy. That's what working dogs do. They'll just come over and pet him. It's great to see the father, the son, and the mother just enjoying the grass. How you getting? But yeah, just a little short video on who's out today. Well, hope you liked the video. Got to see the goats having a little play around with our dogs. And yeah, so inshallah everyone has a blessed day. So Q&A is going to go live, I think, Monday, inshallah, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, see you shortly.